Howdy, everybody. Well, I've had an amazing day and had real feelings touched your heart today. Now, sadly, the first half of the day I lost. It didn't, whatever reason, it showed it was recording, but I don't have any of that footage. So leaving Williams, amazing little town. They really came out great for us. We had breakfast burritos this morning. It was awesome. I'm really sad that footage isn't available. I got to figure out why this isn't doing it like it's supposed to. But nevertheless, Williams and Holbrook were both awesome. And then we got to Gallup, and Gallup was absolutely incredible. The state patrol on all their motorcycles met us before we got there, and pretty much as soon as we pulled off the interstate, there were people on the sides of the road for the next 10 miles. And all the way through the town was people lining the streets, waving flags, standing there while the entire procession went by. Well, they saluted them. It was incredible. Honking horns, just incredible how the whole town turned out to line the road for 10 miles at least. And then we went to Red Rock Park, and that's where the Navajo Nation brought out big medicine and honored us as warriors with the Run for the Wall. And that's one of the most touching and heartfelt things I've ever witnessed or been a part of. It was truly something that you're touched. You're different after you witness how the Navajo Nation honors warriors. And they were very real about it. And there was so many people. You'll see some of that. There was so many people that showed up and shook your hand and gave you hugs and thanked you for being a veteran, for bringing the awareness that we do. Truly incredible, and then fed us some really good food. So we're back on Route 66 at the moment in a hotel, and I'm doing the editing, and that's when I discovered it was first half of the day was gone. Holbrook, little kids, we went past every school in the town, and all those little school kids were standing out on the sidewalk waving flags and cheering for us, and that was really awesome. But Gallup, that's the most patriotic town in America I have ever seen. Truly amazing job, Gallup. I have never seen anything like this, and never experienced anything like what the Navajo Nation, the ceremony and the honor that they bestowed upon us. So enjoy the video, and see you tomorrow. Absolutely incredible. Everybody's turnout for this. Man.
Alright, here's the deal. You need to participate in that cord dance, okay? Tell all your other riders.
We will.
It's a big deal for them. So, you don't need to be John Travolta. Trust me, I'll be out there, just follow me.
I'll dance with you, brother.
Go just get the shirt and eat split.
Nope.
This is a big deal.
I can see that. The amount of people.
And we're invited guests.
Right?
We're invited.
This is incredible.
Yeah. They don't do this just for anybody. See,
I'm in
I
awe.
don't know if they spread the word at the meeting.
They did.
Did they?
Oh, yeah.
Good. Yeah, because the last few years, no one's been out. We'll do the first initial circle, then everybody can split. Can't do that. We got to stick around for a little bit. So,
Absolutely, brother.
So far, so good?
Oh, man. On top of my
This is
game.
just the beginning, man. You ain't seen nothing yet.
Right?
But this is one of my favorite stops.
All right. So this is what we're going to do tonight. At least for a while, for sure. Cheers, guys. I'll be back.
Every year we come here. We come to celebrate. Every year we come here to show respect for one another. Every year we come here to support all veterans. Flag, they're here with us. They are our protectors, our traditional dancers. They are our warriors, our traditional warriors. Ladies and gentlemen, this only happens in Gallup, New Mexico. Pop a round of applause for everybody inside the circle. Wonderful people here. This is a beautiful sight. Welcome home. Welcome home. That step down. Let these flag carriers post their stand before the drum. All the gourd dancers, you can make around a circle, support one another. In the Indian way of life, we believe in a circle. If you keep this circle strong, it can never be broken.
Feel free to come on out. It's a good time to get up close and personal to these gourd dancers and to this drum that we call Grandpa, and all our talented singers bringing us this beautiful, beautiful music.
Thank you. Round of applause for these bikers, ladies and gentlemen.
End of day 2. A little bit whooped. Pretty hot again today. But man, that what you just saw was touched my heart. That was amazing. That is big medicine from the Navajo Nation. And I feel blessed to have been a part of that. So day 2 wrapping up. Good day, no issues. Everything's okay. Nobody got injured. Nobody even broke down today. It was excellent. Good day. Looking forward to some good sleep tonight. And we're going to do it again tomorrow. So cheers.